Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a beginner friendly tutorial on how I achieved these two ponytails with weave. So guys, if you want to see a beginner tutorial on how I achieved this two ponytail hair tutorial with weave, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, having said that, let's get started. So guys, using a spray bottle filled with water, I'm going to start to spray the water all over my hair. Okay, so guys, I made sure that I spread my hair I wet my hair properly. Okay guys, so guys, after that I'm going to massage the water into my hair, okay, in order to soften it. Moving on, I'll be applying some olive oil onto my hair. Okay guys, so guys, I made sure that I applied enough olive oil onto my hair, and now I'll be applying some leave-in conditioner. Okay guys, so guys, after that I combed my hair using a hair comb. So guys, now using the tail part of a comb, I'm going to part my hair into two. Okay, I'm going to part my hair into two, and now I'm just combing the hair in order to put it in a ponytail. Okay, I'm going to make use of a comb. I'm going to comb up my hair, and then using a ponytail holder, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. Okay, so guys, I'm going to as well put the other part of my natural hair in a ponytail. Okay, I combed it as you guys can see, then using a ponytail holder I secured it, okay, and to put it in a ponytail. So guys, moving on, I went ahead to apply more hair conditioner, okay, because the hair conditioner is for smooth and sleek hair. Okay, right now I'll be using this hair gel. Okay guys, so guys, I'll be applying this hair gel onto my hair, onto my natural hair. Okay, so guys, you don't need to use as much gel as I did. Okay guys, so guys, as well, don't forget to use any of the products you have. It must not be my own product. Okay, make use of what you have in order to achieve this two ponytail with wave. Okay, so guys, right now I'm removing my hair from the ponytail I put it. Okay guys, in order to allow me add more gel onto my hair. And now I'm brushing up my hair in order to give my hair a smooth and sleek pony. Okay, so guys, I as well went back using the ponytail holder in order to put my hair back in a ponytail. So guys, using the gel and a small toothbrush, okay, I'm using it in order to lay my baby hair, okay, my edges. Okay, and now I'm going to braid up the ponytail. Okay guys, So guys, after that, I'm going to put it in a bun, okay? Roll it up and put it in a bun. Using a bobby pin, I went ahead to secure the small bun, okay? So guys, you have to make sure that you make your bun to be as small as possible, okay? And now guys, I'll be repeating the same step on my other hair. Using some hair gel, I'm going to apply some hair gel onto my hair, onto my natural hair. And then, so guys, I'm going to, using a hairbrush, brush up my hair and put it in a ponytail. Then braid it up, roll it into a bun and secure it using a bobby pin, okay? So guys, for my wave, I'll be making use of this expression synthetic hair in the style Vivi Curl in color 2, okay, from expression. Okay guys, and it comes in 4, okay, one pack comes in 4. So guys, now I'm showing you guys the hair, okay guys, the hair extension, the weave. So guys, right now I doubled the weave, as you guys can see. Then I placed it on my natural hair on the bun, and then I started to roll, okay? So guys, you just have to start rolling the weave onto your hair, okay? So guys, when I got to the end, using a bobby pin, I used it in order to secure the weave, okay? And then I just flipped it around, yes. And so guys, right now I'm going in with the second hair extension, okay, or weave, okay. You just need to place it and then start to roll as well. Start to roll it over your bun. And so guys, when you got to the end like this, you need to take the remaining part of the weave, okay, and then use it to roll on the bun, okay, in order to secure it properly. And then using a bobby pin, you just need to secure it, okay. So guys, you're free to use as much bobby pin as you want. And so guys, there it is, the ponytail, okay, the one part of the ponytail. And then on the other side, or on the other part of the ponytail, we are going to do the same, okay. Using the wave, we are going to place it on our hair on top of the bun and then start to roll, okay. So guys, I'm making this video to be a very detailed, beginner friendly video tutorial on how to make a two ponytail with wave. Okay guys, so guys, when we go to the end here, we are going to use the remaining part of the hair extension and then use it to roll around the bun in order to secure it, okay, around the ponytail. And then using a bobby pin, we're just going to secure it. So guys, you need to go in with the second wave, okay? So guys, you have to remember that the expression and weave or hair extension came in 4 in 1 pack, okay? And it's a synthetic hair in color 2 with the style Vivi Curl. When we go to the end here, so guys, using the remaining extension, we are going to use it in order to roll around the ponytail to secure it, okay? Here is your girl, okay, all cute and with the ponytail. Okay guys, then you have to flip around your hair and then try to arrange it properly, okay, to your liking. So guys, I did film a tutorial on how I did my makeup. I'll be uploading it soon. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat. So guys, don't forget to like my video, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.